Hey guys, JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we are going to be making spare ribs, and we're going to be using this new bone sucking sauce. I've never tried it before, but I'm anxious to try it out, see what the rub looks like on the ribs, and let's see what this sauce is all about. You know, the sauce comes in this big old mason jar kind of thing, so I'm excited. I'm ready to give this thing a shot and see how these spare ribs turn out. You guys stay tuned and I'll show you what they're all about. Let's go ahead and get these ribs seasoned up. I like using a little bit of olive oil. I like olive oil. It helps to form as a binder, you know, for the rub. So we'll get a little bit on here. Let's see what this thing is all about. I definitely like how it pours out of the bottle, nice and smooth. I'm not 100% sure what's in it, but it's got a little lemony scent to it. I'm not sure, but man, that's pretty good. That's a little bit different to what I've used before. Let's see what they turn out like. That looks really good. Man, look at them. Let me get these suckers flipped over this way. Get a good look at them. Man, I like St. Louis cut style spare ribs. Well, actually, they're not a St. Louis cut. They're just spare ribs. St. Louis cut is more of a square style rib, you know, prepped by the butcher or prepped by the barbecue guy. I did not take the membrane off of these spare ribs. Usually baby back ribs, I'll take the membrane off, but St. Louis ribs, or not St. Louis, spare ribs, I won't do that. They're taking on a really nice color, guys. We're gonna put them back in the fridge and let them absorb that rub a little bit, and in an hour, maybe hour and a half, we'll get them on our new Weber Performer here that we're gonna be trying out for the first time. We got this chimney started. It's ready to get put into our slow and sear. So we gotta be careful here because I didn't put no gloves on, so hopefully I don't burn myself. But normally you should wear some gloves when you're working with this stuff because flames are starting to come through. So, all right. So we'll just get this bad boy. There we go. We're going to be using cherry wood for our smoke flavor for these spare ribs that we're going to be making. And it's not difficult. The neat thing about this Weber Performer, it's got a hinged grill on it. So it makes it easy for, you know, adding your wood chunks to it. Wood chunks. I'll get it right. So just dropping them in. And get them spread out, close it up, and that'll be our wood that we're going to be using for our smoke flavor. Cherry wood goes good with pork. I also like using apple, but either way, both of these pieces of wood, or these types of woods, I should say, are very good for pork. Just want to show you what these ribs look like before we put them in. Man, does that look amazing or what? They have taken on a really nice reddish color. We're gonna get them in this grill and get us some spare ribs smoked up. That is a big old spare rib for this Weber Performer. Time to get these ribs wrapped up and get them basting in our bone sucking sauce. Go see what this bone sucking sauce is all about. Never tried it, so you know, we're gonna try it today. See what it's all about. Get these ribs pulled out of here. They've been in there for a few hours now. Get these glazed up, wrapped up, and get them back on the smoker for a couple more hours. We got to get these spare ribs off of this grill, get them opened up, get them out of that aluminum wrap that we have, give them a final glaze, get them back in there for maybe 30, 40 more minutes, and they'll be ready. These ribs look good. I mean, they took on a very nice color. We're gonna glaze them up just a little bit more with some of this bone sucking sauce. That's it. We used every little bit of this bone sucking sauce. It's that good, guys. It's that good. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into these ribs and we'll see what they're all about. Oh, yeah. That's almost a perfect rib right there. There we go. As they get further down towards the end of the ribs, they kind of curve up a little bit, but here's what they look like. Oh, wow. Man, my goodness. You guys see that smoke ring? That's absolutely beautiful. Guys, this is my first ever smoke ring. I'm happy, I'm excited. I'm gonna take a bite out of these things and cut them up and, feed the family. Appreciate you guys watching. And, but I'm gonna eat right in front of you guys. Oh. That's some good stuff. That is so good. Oh my gosh. I don't know what there's no words to describe this. These are some jam up good ribs. I don't know if it was the cut of the meat, but the rub with the barbecue sauce, these guys, they make good stuff. You want some good barbecue sauce and good ribs? This is some good stuff. But that's really about it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get these cut up, and just want to let you guys know that I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in and watching my channel. There's a lot of channels out there, and I know you guys don't need to watch mine, but hey, I appreciate you very much. Also, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button over there on the side, and give it a thumbs up. And as always, feel free to share this video with your friends, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next cookout.